Hello, my name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builder Supply, and this video is to bring you a closer look at the Lucky Line number 10110210 package of 10 clear plastic key identifiers with ball chains. This is a very common piece of equipment that you're going to see. I see them on luggage all the time. I see them at rental car facilities often. Has a paper insert, so anything not wet, you're not going to be able to see that real well if it gets wet. This ball chain, you're just going to break that, pull that out. A piece of paper will come out. You're in good shape. Let's take some dimensional properties of the card insert. Overall width, about 1 13/16 inches. Height of that, 3/4. Slide that back where it belongs. I believe this is a number 4 ball chain. Overall length of the tag itself, stem to stern so to speak, is about 2 1/4, 1 inch. Centered down to the end of the ball chain, about 2 inch. This is a plastic this is a clear plastic. They make colors of these. This is a preferred piece of equipment because you can replace the paper insert. It will give you the ability to change your address on your luggage, things of that nature. Maybe make an association between a location and the particular key that you are working with. There's a link below this video to the manufacturer's page. On that page you can pull up the most current product catalog, and that document is certainly something worthy to review. And what you can do is perform a find function on your keyboard and search for the root of the part number, and in this case it would be 1011. Well, sure enough, you're going to get to the page where you'll find these plastic tags, and then you'll start to understand the logic by which they build their part numbers. This was a 1011-0210. So 1011-02. The 02 takes us from the retail pack table down to the industrial pack, where you're getting in a bag of 10. They're not individually packaged. There's no display packaging in mind, like a jar or a flip back lid, something that might be appropriate for an impulse item checkout line in a neighborhood hardware store or in the lock shop. So this would be 1011-02 industrial pack. Then the last 2 digits, 10, tell us it's the clear color. Other colors: 10 for clear, 30 for blue, 40 for green, 50 for orange, 65 for purple, 68 for magenta, 70 for red, 80 for yellow. So those colors can change. This client happened to also buy the 30, and that's what blue looks like. Okay, same thing, just 30, which would mean blue. You might say, well, I don't want bags of 10, I really need 100. Well, you can look in the retail pack. They've got 1011-0010 will give you a 100 display box. That might be handy. You might want a jar of them, which is a plastic jar that you can peel the lid off and pull a handful out, things of that nature. So the part number defines not only what it is, it's a hammer rather than an orange if you follow me, but it defines the quantity that you're purchasing, and it defines the packaging that's involved as well. And as you change the part number, you obviously will change the item, but as you change the derivative parts of that part number, you'll change quantity and packaging, and obviously color. You can see from that catalog that there are variations on this. There's the key tag with a split ring. Far less common, I can tell you that. We don't sell those very often. The ball chain is the real common unit. As you scroll through that catalog, you'll see the Tang ring, which is the split ring version, just a real quick access to getting the key onto the ring. And then more and more variations of this. The name Lucky Line is synonymous with key management hardware, and since you've got that catalog open, you might want to scroll through all of it, because you'll notice they make a lot more than just these plastic key tags. They make key tags made of paper and plastic, aluminum, brass. Key rings, everything from the small giveaway style key rings to the large pull apart jailer size key rings. They can do novelty items. They can print, do custom printing on many other items. They can do lanyards and spring style wrist coils. You'll see their twisty, they have a line of key rings that are called their twisty style. It's nylon coated aircraft cable that you can take that, stick the two ends together and contort one end into a figure eight and lock it together until you then contort it into a figure eight again to unlock it. And you can take that so that you can, when you're contorting it, lock it, unlock it, open it, close it. Or you can buy their crimping tool and crimp all that together. Rented a car last weekend, and sure enough, a Lucky Line twisty keyring between the quite permanent tag from the car rental company and the key itself. It's aircraft cable with a nylon coating, and it may have been like a black color nylon coating. They can do different colors on that material, as well as custom lengths. And you'll find that all in their catalog. Also on that link to the manufacturer's page is all of the Lucky Line products that we sell, but also a link to the manufacturer's website. Again, the name Lucky Line is synonymous with key management hardware. If you have more than an occasional need for key tags or key rings, you will certainly want to familiarize yourself with their product line, because while there are other people who make key tags, key rings, and key management hardware, no other manufacturer has the diversity of product that Lucky Line has, so be mindful of that. Any questions on the Lucky Line? 1011-0210, package of 10 clear plastic with paper insert key tags with the ball chain, or any other Lucky Line product, please feel free to reach out to us. And thank you.